The new Task Details window in BigPicture brings more fields, more information, and more control, so you can quickly check and update any task. In this video, you'll see the new Task Details window in the Gantt and Resources modules. In the Gantt module, you can open the Task Details window in two ways. Click the task row on the left and press E, or click the taskbar in the Gantt timeline. You can easily resize the window to fit your screen. To view it in full screen, click the expand icon. Fields are grouped into collapsible sections, so you can easily find what you need without getting lost in too much information. In the Basic Information section, you can see the progress and percentage, the task status, and its priority, giving you a quick snapshot of where things stand. The Scheduling section shows the start and end dates, the duration, and the scheduling mode, so you can plan and adjust timelines with ease. In Resources, you'll find the assignee, assigned team, and required skills. Use Find the Perfect Match to quickly locate ideal assignees or teams. BigPicture suggests up to 5 top matches based on task requirements, individual skills, and available capacity. For Agile teams, there's a dedicated Agile section with sprint and story points. You'll also find detailed time estimates, including original estimate, remaining estimate, and logged work, making effort tracking simple and transparent. The Technical Information section provides context, such as the project and task ID. Right next to the In Scope of field, you can see all the IDs of the boxes this task belongs to, even the ones you don't have access to. And finally, you can check both inward and outward dependencies with full details, so you always understand how tasks connect and impact one another. All of this is organized, structured, and available in one place without leaving the context of the Gantt timeline. Also, most of the task details can be edited inline. To see the changes for this task, click See Changes at the top. You'll be redirected to the Change History tab in the info bar. You can even open the Task Details window for a task without dates, right-click and select Edit, or click the task line and press E. Let's go to the Resources module now. Opening the window works the same as in Gantt. In addition to everything you see in the Gantt, the Resources module offers a bit more. First, there's Workload contouring, where you can check the contouring mode, effort mode, and distributed effort. Then, there's the Warnings section. Just enable the warning types from the View menu, and you'll see any alerts for your tasks right away. That's all. The new Task Details window brings everything together, more information and control in one place, making task updates easier than ever.